the snowfall as I'm curled up by the fire. String lights around the tree, and hang the stockings, drinking cinnamon and cider. Maybe this year things will be different. I'll make you my brand new tradition. Seasons, greetings, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I just wanna say joyous Kwanzaa, have a jolly day. Happy Hanukkah, don't care which way that we say it, I just wanna spend it with you. I wanna wake up to. Don't need to deck the house. If we're together, the season won't be blue. Baby, this year things will be different.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Henry. Happy birthday to you.
Friend, you can be my favorite tradition. Seasons, greetings, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I just wanna say joyous Kwanzaa, have a jolly day. Happy Hanukkah, don't care which way that we say it, I just wanna spend it with you. Ooh, you, ooh, 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 you, ooh, ooh. I just wanna spend it with you. Ooh, you, ooh, 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 you, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, ooh. Seasons, greetings, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I just wanna say joyous Kwanzaa, have a jolly day. Happy Hanukkah, don't care which way that we say it, I just wanna spend it with you.
We are beautiful when we're all together round a table that could burst at the seams, singing old melodies that just live on the breeze. We are magical when we're all together with the holly and the ivy in bloom. Share a present or two with a warm, merry tune, decorating the room. I know we've been untethered, but it's true. Whatever the weather, we're beautiful when we're all together. Just once a year we'll gather here and bring out all the joy of festive cheer. Familiar scenes, the same routines of paper crowns and mistletoe and old movies. We are beautiful when we're all together. So why don't you and I just drift back to shore, where the fireplace roars, from the rooftops we'll call Merry Christmas to all. Well, I know that we've been untethered. Now come home